Hi everyone, I'm Emily and today we're doing a quick beginner's run through of Surya Namaskar A or Sun Salutation A. So if you have no background in yoga or you're just starting, this is the perfect video for you to build that foundation. So come onto the top of your mat, standing, and let's get started. You can start with your feet about hip width apart, hands by your side. Inhale to raise your arms up above your head for Urdhva Hastasana. Your arms are parallel to each other, shoulder width apart, hands are facing inward. You're leaving a lot of space between your ears. You can have a slight bend in your knees and your tailbone is tucked under. You're shooting the energy through the tops of your fingertips to the sky. Exhale to hinge from your hips and forward fold, Uttanasana. In your forward fold, if you're a beginner, please be sure to keep a good bend in the knees. Your hips should be in line with your heels, and you're reaching your head down to the ground. Maybe you're trying to reach your head to your knees, but just make sure that you're not rolling too much in the spine. Inhale to halfway lift. So here you want your spine to be straight. You want your neck to be an extension of the spine. You can place your palms on your quads, on your calves, or on the ground. No matter where you place your palms, you just want to really be sure that you're keeping that straight line in your spine. Exhale to plant your palms and step back into plank. You can be in high plank with your knees lifted, keeping your spine straight, pressing away from the earth, or you can lower your knees to the ground for low plank. You're keeping your arms strong, pressing away from the earth with your hands in the mat. And exhale to lower yourself down to the earth. From here, place your palms by your side next to your rib cage. Inhale to lift your chest off of the ground so that your shoulders are reaching towards the back of your mat. Your head is still looking down to the earth. You're just gently pressing away from the yoga mat with your hands. Your feet can be together or hip width apart for Ardha Bhujangasana. If you want, you can increase your back bend by pressing your chest all the way off of the ground so that you're in the full cobra position. Your elbows are tucked in and bent. Your hip points are still on the earth. And here you're looking straight ahead for Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Exhale to lower yourself back down. Inhale to press back up into your half plank or full plank. And exhale to send your hips up and back to the sky for downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. In downward dog, your hands are shoulder width apart. They're clawing into the yoga mat. Your fingertips are clawing into the yoga mat. You're pressing away and you're pressing your hips up to the sky. You're looking at your belly button, at your navel center. It's okay to bend your knees here if you have tight hamstrings. The goal is ultimately to straighten the legs. Your legs are as wide as your hips, and your heels are reaching towards the ground, but if they're off the earth, again, for your tight hamstrings, that's okay. Inhale to look forward. Exhale to step your right foot forward, then your left foot forward between your palms for your halfway lift. Ardha Uttanasana. Again, your spine is straight. Your palms can be on your shins, your thighs, or the ground. Exhale to fold, Uttanasana. Again, you can deeply bend the knees here to put less strain on the hamstrings. And inhale, we rise all the way up to the sky with the arms for Urdhva Hastasana. Tucking the tailbone under. Arms are shoulder width apart, hands are facing inward. And exhale to release your palms down by your side for Tadasana, mountain pose. And there you have it. That is one Sun Salutation A. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I hope I see you again soon. Namaste.